Have you ever wondered about the unseen force that shapes our reality? In this vast universe, our lives are meticulously woven by a silent architect, the subconscious mind. It operates beneath the surface of our conscious awareness, tirelessly shaping our experiences, our realities. It is a fascinating concept, isn't it? This unseen force is so powerful yet so elusive, often overlooked despite its potent influence. Our subconscious is like an architect, drafting the blueprints of our lives based on the beliefs stored deep within us. These beliefs, whether they're about ourselves, others, or the world at large, serve as a model, a design that our lives faithfully mirror. As the renowned author Wayne Dyer once said, "You'll see it when you believe it." A profound thought indeed. It suggests that our beliefs are not merely passive reflections of our reality, but active creators of it. But how do these beliefs shape our reality? Well, it's all about the mental images we hold, our aspirations, our dreams, our visions. These are not mere daydreams, but potent seeds. The seeds that, when planted in the fertile ground of our subconscious, breathe life into our reality. They sprout, they grow, they blossom, shaping our experiences, our lives. By recognizing these mental images, these seeds of our reality, and aligning them with our subconscious beliefs, we can steer the course of our lives. We can change our reality. We can become the architects of our own lives. So let's ponder on this for a moment. Imagine the possibilities if we could consciously choose the seeds we plant in the garden of our subconscious. If we could carefully select the blueprints that our subconscious architect uses, imagine the life we could create. Our aspirations, the mental images we hold, are the seeds that breathe life into our reality. So let's nurture these seeds, let's cultivate our garden, and let's watch our reality transform. Because after all, we are the architects of our own lives. To understand how our dreams transform into reality, we must first acknowledge the power of our subconscious mind. Consider the subconscious as a fertile garden, and our conscious thoughts as seeds. The seeds we plant, water, and nurture in this garden are the ones that grow and flourish. Our subconscious is not selective. It will cultivate whatever seeds we sow, whether they're seeds of love or fear, abundance or scarcity. So how do we ensure we're planting the right seeds? It begins with our conscious intentions. These are the seeds we choose to plant, the dreams we wish to manifest. Now here's where the magic happens. When our conscious intentions are accepted by our subconscious mind, a remarkable synergy occurs. This union triggers a series of events that materialize our intentions. It's like setting the coordinates on a GPS. Once the destination is set, the route appears, leading us towards our desired outcome. But it's not just about setting the destination. It's also about aligning our subconscious beliefs with our conscious intentions. If our subconscious harbors doubts or fears, it's like trying to drive with the brakes on. It's crucial to address and transform these limiting beliefs to ensure a smooth journey towards our dreams. As we navigate through life, every thought, every emotion becomes a vital clue. They mirror our subconscious beliefs and show us what we're truly manifesting. These aren't just passing experiences, they are the architects of our reality. So how do we use these clues to our advantage? By observing. By understanding our emotional landscape and thought patterns, we can revolutionize our reality. This observation allows us to consciously choose thoughts and emotions that serve our highest good. It empowers us to become the gardeners of our subconscious minds, carefully selecting the seeds we plant. By mastering this synergy between conscious intentions and subconscious beliefs, we don't just dream, we create. We become the authors of our reality, writing our own stories, one thought at a time. By observing our emotional landscape and thought patterns, we can revolutionize our reality. The theory is inspiring, but how do we apply it? Here are some practical steps to harness the power of your subconscious mind. First, let's talk about visualization. This isn't about idle daydreaming. It's about mentally constructing the reality you desire, with every detail as vivid as possible. Picture your goals as if they're already part of your reality. Feel the emotions associated with achieving them. This simple act can have a profound impact as your subconscious mind begins to work towards making this visualized reality come true. Next, aligning your beliefs. It's not enough to merely visualize. Your beliefs must be in harmony with your vision. If deep down you hold limiting beliefs that contradict your goals, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. So take the time to address and transform any beliefs that could obstruct your progress. Remember, your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. It'll grow whatever seeds you plant. Ensure you're planting seeds of empowerment and possibility, not doubt or fear. Thirdly, affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to reinforce your new empowering beliefs. The more you affirm something, the more real it becomes in your mind, and hence, in your reality. So speak words of positivity and power to yourself, consistently and with conviction. Then gratitude. This is a potent tool in your reality creation toolkit. Expressing gratitude not only for what you have, but also for what you're manifesting sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind. It signals that you're already in the state of having what you desire, which accelerates the manifestation process, so cultivate a daily habit of gratitude. Lastly, taking action. This is where the rubber meets the road. Align your thoughts, emotions, and actions towards your desired outcome. Remember, your subconscious mind is a powerful ally, but it doesn't work in a vacuum. You need to do your part in the physical realm too. Take inspired action based on the guidance from your subconscious mind, and you'll be amazed at the results. The interplay between your conscious intentions and subconscious beliefs is a dance of co-creation. It's like an artist with a paintbrush where your conscious mind sets the intention, and your subconscious mind brings it to life on the canvas of your reality. However, it's important to note that the process of mastering your reality isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey of self-discovery and growth. There will be times when you stumble, times when doubts creep in, times when it feels like you're not making progress. But remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards becoming the master of your reality. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. Your subconscious mind is a profound reservoir of potential, waiting to be harnessed. So, embark on this journey of self-mastery and witness the transformation in your reality. When we consciously choose thoughts and emotions that serve our highest good, we become the masters of our reality. Our subconscious beliefs profoundly shape our relationships and interactions. This statement might sound profound, but it's very much rooted in truth. The subconscious mind is like an underground river, flowing beneath the surface and influencing our actions and decisions, often without our conscious awareness. This subconscious influence is especially potent in our relationships. Our subconscious beliefs about ourselves, others, and the world around us form a blueprint that dictates how we interact with others. These beliefs might be based on past experiences, societal norms, or inherited family patterns. For example, if we subconsciously believe that we are unworthy of love, we might find ourselves in relationships that reflect this belief, regardless of our conscious desires. But what if we could change this blueprint? What if we could reshape our subconscious beliefs to foster healthier connections? Well, the good news is we can. By understanding and addressing our subconscious beliefs, we can transform our relationships. This process begins with self-awareness. We need to delve deep into our minds and uncover the beliefs that are shaping our interactions. This might involve introspection, meditation, journaling, or seeking professional help. By bringing these beliefs into the light of conscious awareness, we can begin to challenge and change them. Next, we need to replace our limiting beliefs with empowering ones. This could involve affirmations, visualization, or other subconscious reprogramming techniques. For instance, if we believe that we are unworthy of love, we might affirm, "I am deserving of love and kindness," while visualizing ourselves in loving, respectful relationships. Understanding our subconscious blueprint is not just about transforming our relationships, it's about transforming our entire lives. When we align our subconscious beliefs with our conscious desires, we can manifest a reality that reflects our highest ideals. The teachings of ancient wisdom and modern psychology both emphasize the interconnectedness of our internal and external realities. Our subconscious mind is the bridge between these two realities. By harnessing its power, we can create a life and relationships that are in harmony with our true selves. The act of observing our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions is a crucial step in self-transformation. This statement rings true as we venture into the realm of the subconscious mind. Observation in this context is not merely watching passively. It's about consciously acknowledging our internal landscape and understanding its influence on our external reality. At the core of our existence, our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape our reality. They are the unseen forces that drive us, the silent whispers that guide our actions and reactions. And yet, they often go unnoticed, hidden beneath the surface of our conscious awareness. To observe is to bring these hidden facets to light, to recognize their presence and understand their influence. It's a process of self-discovery, a journey inward that reveals the blueprint of our lives. It's about understanding the subconscious beliefs that shape our reality, and more importantly, recognizing when these beliefs no longer serve us. Observation is the first step towards reprogramming our subconscious mind. By observing our thoughts and emotions, we can identify the limiting beliefs that hold us back from manifesting our desired reality. We can then choose to replace these beliefs with ones that align more closely with our aspirations. Imagine your subconscious mind as a garden. The beliefs are the seeds sown in this garden. Some seeds grow into beautiful flowers that enrich our lives, while others grow into weeds that hinder our growth. Through observation, we can identify these weeds and replace them with seeds that bloom into a reality that resonates with our true selves. Observation is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It's about cultivating a habit of mindfulness, of being present in each moment, fully aware of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. This mindful awareness is the key to unlocking the full potential of our subconscious mind. In essence, observation is a tool for self-transformation. It's a pathway that leads us from the known to the unknown, from a life of unconscious reactions to one of conscious responses. It's the bridge that connects our present reality with our desired future. Through observation, we can recognize our limiting beliefs and choose beliefs that align with our desired reality. It's through this process of observation and reprogramming that we can truly become the architects of our own lives. The Divine Center represents our most authentic self, while Mushin, a concept from Zen Buddhism, represents a state of absolute presence and fluidity. These two profound concepts invite us to delve deep into the core of our existence, to transcend beyond the bounds of past conditioning and manifest a reality that resonates with our true selves. The Divine Center, our spiritual core, is our most authentic self. It is the essence of who we are, untouched by societal conditioning or external influences. This center is the seat of our intuition, our inner voice that knows our deepest desires and the path that aligns with our highest good. By tuning into this divine center, we gain access to a reservoir of wisdom and strength, empowering us to live a life that is authentic and fulfilling. On the other hand, Mushin, a principle from Zen Buddhism, literally translates to no mind. It represents a state of absolute presence and fluidity, where the mind is free from thoughts and judgments. In this state, we become fully immersed in the present moment, open to the infinite possibilities that each moment holds. It is a state of uncluttered consciousness, where we respond to life spontaneously and authentically, unbound by preconceived notions or biases. Both the Divine Center and Mushin serve as guiding principles that can profoundly transform our lives. By aligning with our Divine Center, we honor our authentic selves and make choices that are in harmony with our true nature. By practicing Mushin, we cultivate a clear and present mind, enabling us to navigate life with grace and fluidity. Imagine a life where every decision stems from a place of authenticity, where each moment is experienced fully, without the cloud of judgment. Imagine a life where you are the master of your reality, guided by your intuition, and free from the shackles of past conditioning. This is the power of aligning with the Divine Center and practicing Mushin. In this dance between our authentic self and present moment awareness, we find the harmony between conscious intention and the subconscious mind. This harmony, this beautiful symphony, is the key to unlocking a reality of our own making. The dance is yours to choreograph, the symphony yours to compose. Embrace the journey, for it is uniquely yours. Observation, transformation, and the Divine Center are intertwined, enabling us to tap into unparalleled potential. This is the essence of our exploration into the subconscious mind, the invisible architect of our realities. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the profound depths of the subconscious and its role in shaping our lives. We've seen how our subconscious beliefs, those silent blueprints, forge our experiences, and that our aspirations, the mental images we hold, are not mere daydreams, but the foundations of our existence. We've learned that the transformation of our dreams into reality begins with our acknowledgement of our subconscious power. We've also discussed the importance of the synergy between conscious intentions and subconscious beliefs. How by observing our emotional landscape and thought patterns, we can revolutionize our reality. We've discovered that our emotions and thoughts aren't just passing experiences, they shape our reality. We've explored practical steps to harness the power of the subconscious mind, visualizing our goals, aligning our beliefs, using positive affirmations, expressing gratitude, and taking aligned action. We've realized how our subconscious beliefs shape our relationships and interactions, and how by understanding the subconscious blueprint that governs our relationships, we can foster healthier connections. We've touched upon the wisdom of ancient teachings and modern psychology, both of which emphasize the interconnectedness of our internal and external realities. We've learned that by understanding and reprogramming our subconscious beliefs, we can change the lens through which we view the world. We've also looked into the concept of the divine center representing our most authentic self, and Mushin, a state of absolute presence and fluidity. These two concepts empower us to transcend past conditioning and manifest a reality in harmony with our true selves. So, as we conclude, remember this. The harmony between conscious intention and the subconscious mind is the key to unlocking a reality of our own making. You have the power to shape your reality. Harness the power of your subconscious mind and unlock your true potential.